Just stay.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded a recent home tour, and I know with the holidays coming up, I know that I'll be changing the decor to match the new fall season. So since I have adjusted the colors in my house, I wanted to go ahead and kind of show you what I have done since my last home tour. Enjoy.
Just stay. Just stay. One more night. I'll be by your side. We'll live for a new day. We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night. One more night.
Once again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I wanted to get it uploaded so you could see the things that have changed in our home since the last home tour video, and also wanted to let you know to continue to look out for future content that I will be uploading in the near future. So if you are interested in that, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Can grow